Psalms 23, verses 4 to 6. Yes, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art is with me. Thy rod and thy staff will comfort me. This meanwhile, thou preparest a table before the presence of my enemy. Thou anointed my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me. The powers shall be broken. Hallelujah. And I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. We must stand. We must understand that we are more than a conqueror. Hallelujah. That we are God's army. He has called us in such a time as this, oh God, to war. He has called us in such a time as this to fight for what we have. Hallelujah. Glory to your name, Jesus.